Coming up on Motorhead Garage, we'll show you a great one-stop shop for the UTV of your dreams. Plus, a couple of ways to improve the look of your vehicle while protecting it at the same time. And a couple of incredible SEMA builds right here in our studio.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest and exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, a lot of you are probably looking for UTVs if you don't already have one, or you're looking to upgrade, and the process can be confusing. But I've got a one-stop shop for you where you're going to get what you're looking for, and that's Interstate 69 Motorsports. And Adam, tell me what sets Interstate 69 apart from the others that are out there.
Well, number one, Dave, I would have to go to the best deals. We simply have the best deals. We have one of the largest selections in stock in the United States, as well as our extremely knowledgeable sales staff, parts, service, down to the warehouse. We have over 70 employees that have a combined total of over 500 years experience in the power sports business. That's incredible.
And you're talking about big selection. How big of a dealership are we talking?
Well, as far as size of our actual facility, we have over a 50,000 square foot Honda and Polaris dealership, as well as multiple warehouses and a marine store across the street. So you're talking about over seven or 8 acres worth of property with buildings scattered all over it.
Holy cow, and it's a huge place, but you're in a small town. You're in Union City, Tennessee.
That's right.
Centrally located, which is cool, but I can't imagine you get a lot of foot traffic.
We still get a lot of foot traffic. I would say we get more from out of town and out of state.
Yeah.
Because like I said, we offer the best deals, so you know we get them coming from all the way up to 5 hours plus away one way. So all 50 states, we see them come from everywhere for sure.
And what do those folks say about the experience they get at Interstate 69?
When they leave, they're normally proud to say that I got mine at I69. You know, they had a great experience, and we work very strongly off referrals and word of mouth. We've got right at a 5-star review on Google right now, so everybody seems to be saying great things.
When you're buying a big thing like a car or a UTV or a house, it's really important how you're treated.
That's correct.
How do you treat your customers?
We treat them, number one, how we would want to be treated, but with the utmost respect. You know, it is a large purchase. These things aren't cheap. And, you know, it's discretional money, and there's a lot of things you can spend it on. And, you know, in my opinion, which I'm a fellow rider as well, what better thing to spend it on is something you can get in with a whole family and go for a ride. So
that's cool. Well, let's talk about this one in particular.
Yeah.
You started with a stock vehicle, but you made some mods to it. So tell me what's on this particular UTV.
21 model Ranger 1000 XP in matte navy. And that's a cool color. We've got a Copen winch on it, as well as we have a tip-out windshield, light bar, brush guard, aftermarket wheels and tires, 30-inch tires on it. I also see a factory radio from Polaris, to where we installed a genuine Polaris part audio system in it.
And folks are coming in to buy a lot of stock vehicles. How many of them are making modifications, and to what level are they going?
Most are, and we see accessory package vary anywhere from maybe $600 or $700 all the way up to, we had several last week that were $12,000 plus in accessories. So accessorizing them is definitely how to customize it and make it yours and make it work for you for what your intended purpose is. That's the main thing, is finding the right vehicle for that person's needs.
Now, if you're looking to go big, here is a perfect example. This vehicle is pretty spectacular. Josh, tell me what I'm looking at.
So it's a 21 Razor XP 1000. It's got a Pro Armor roll cage, there's seats, harnesses, doors. This thing's sick.
I can second that. How do I know I'm getting quality parts from Interstate 69?
Yeah, so we only pick brand name parts that fit, and they're top-notch parts.
And how do I know that I'm getting something that's going to work for me? How does your staff work with me there?
Sure. So the process is that when the sales guy gets the call, he fills out what the customer needs, their riding types, and helps them build out the machine to their needs.
How long has your staff been working and doing this?
Most everybody has been there for 10 plus years.
Wow, and these folks, this isn't just a job for them too. This is something they do in their spare time as well.
That's right. You know, on the weekends they're riding with their family, they're going to different places and checking out trails and everything.
So you can be sure that they're not going to put anything on here they wouldn't put on their vehicle.
That's 100% right.
What about warranties? Now we're getting all these parts put on our vehicle, we're getting a new vehicle. What are we talking about?
So the factory units come with 6 months, and then we have the option to get out to additional 4 years. So that's 8 times the factory warranty on that.
Pretty impressive. Interstate 69 is a huge dealership. How many vehicles are you selling in a day?
You know, we have sold up to 100 units in a single day.
Holy moly. That's incredible. And clearly, all those folks are satisfied customers. That's why they sell the big volume. And if you want to find out why Interstate 69 Motorsports is so popular and is the place to go, be sure to check them out on their website. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.